Hello and welcome to Nexus Industrial Memory. We help you keep your data safer, protected and secure by design with the world's leading industrial-grade memory, data storage and AI cybersecurity solutions. At Nexus, we're not your typical distributor. You don't just click and buy with no interaction with us. Instead, we take the time to truly understand your project, which means we can recommend the best possible memory components for your needs, saving you time, stress and money as a result. When you work with Nexus, you're working with a proven team with 4 decades of experience working with design engineers and security experts in numerous sectors, including aerospace, defense, transport, medical, renewables and communications, while we're also the official Datakey supplier for the UK, Norwegian and Swedish military. The Datakey memory products we supply have been tested in the harshest possible environments and exposed to extreme temperatures, hazardous chemicals and medical sterilization, while also providing USB or SD card functionality in a more robust and secure form factor. For cybersecurity, there's Flexxon's X-Fi AI embedded cybersecure SSD, which delivers advanced security at the storage level, giving you a last line of defense from malware, cloning or physical attacks. Plus, to protect your sensitive data, the Flexxon read-only USB can enable or disable its read-only mode to prohibit or permit modifications, while the Flexxon Write Once Read Many USB drive prevents data tampering. In short, if you're after a data solution provider you can rely on for secure and highly durable products year after year with no issues with obsolescence, we're here to help. Give us a call on 01794 301 439 or send us an email at info@nexusindustrialmemory.com and we'll talk through what you need and how we can help.